ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ లేదు.
ఫిజిక్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ గుర్తు చేసిన ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఖరాబ్ చేయకు. నీలా, టుడే ఇస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్ ద లెజెండరీ జర్నీ ఆఫ్ అవర్ గ్రేట్ 10 వారియర్స్.
లెజెండరీ అంటున్నావా? బాలకృష్ణ గారా?
అవును నీలా, లెజెండ్ ఆయనే. కానీ మన సీనియర్స్ బ్యాచ్ లెజెండరీ బ్యాచ్.
పాటలు ప్రతాపాలు వీరులున్న బ్యాచ్ వీరబలి బ్యాచ్ అంటారు. పాటలు ప్రతాపాలు వీరులున్న బ్యాచ్ వీరబలి బ్యాచ్ అంటారు.
Exactly. So let's give them the farewell they deserve. So get ready for a roller coaster ride of emotions, entertainment and laughter.
ఓహో, సీనియర్స్ ఆవ్రియో ఫర్ బెటర్ టుమారో రేపటి కోసం ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో మార్క్స్ ప్లస్ క్లాస్ టెస్ట్ ఉంటుందన్నమాట.
Yes, are you all ready? ఇంకా చూడండి, చెప్పండి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. వెల్కమ్ టు దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఈవినింగ్ పార్టీ. ఆవ్రియో ఫర్ బెటర్ టుమారో రేపటి కోసం.
బిఫోర్ వి బిగిన్ ది షో, అందరిని ఎంటర్టైన్ చేయాలంటే మన ఎంట్రీ డైలాగ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కదా. మీ అందరికీ ఒక విశ్వరూపంలోకి ఎంట్రీ చేయాలి కదా, వెల్కమ్ చేయాలి.
So presenting your dashing anchors Neela and Nova. You're not just watching a program, మీరు ఒక blockbuster program experience చేయబోతున్నారు.
ఒక మాట చెప్పాలి, అందరూ మనం సూపర్ స్టార్స్ అని అనుకున్నారు, బట్ ఒక సూపర్ స్టార్ బ్యాచ్ ని సెలబ్రేట్ చేయడం ఆవ్రియో ఫర్ బెటర్ టుమారో రేపటి కోసం ద్వారా ఈ సిచువేషన్ లో అది మాత్రం ఫ్యాక్ట్.
Let's start the event with the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. After all, light की speed ఉంది, but మన seniors memories की intensity ఉంది.
या वीणा वरदण्ड मण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभुदिः देवरि सदा पूजिता सा मार्पातु सरस्वती भगवती.
பொங்கல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் வெணி முண்டவாயனே உள்ளங்கவல்லானே பொங்கல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் வெணி முண்டவாயனே உள்ளங்கவல்லானே அண்ட குணனி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை அண்ட குணனி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை கண்ண கண்கள் மற்றும்பினை காணாவே.
अगर तुम मेरे साथ नहीं होगी ना तो मैं ऐसे मैनेज कर लूंगा, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे.
Impossible.
हे मीनम्मा, मेरी डिक्शनरी में इम्पॉसिबल का शब्द ही नहीं.
अच्छा, कहाँ से खरीदी ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी?
Don't underestimate the power of a common man.
जैसे मस्त मलंग जैसे मस्त सी चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसे लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी उतरा होने से चले आ मेरी ओर तेरा चले आ जोर तेरा होया मैंने यार बोले आ संसार.
Do not disturb you when I'm talking.
अपने भी पिंड में एक फुलझड़ी थी, वो दिल्ले वाली जुत्ती सूट परा दी.
खेतों में जाके छेड़ा था जिसने उसकी भी यादें तो हम से है जाती.
गजरा लगा के वो मैं क्या जी कहती है,
ये पींग मेरे दिल में भी उठती ही रहती है.
हीरे मेरी कोठे ते आ मंजी ते बैठा तैनू रज रज वे
लौंग
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా. ఈ డిక్ చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
ఎల్లారెడ్డి గూడ కడ ఆఫీసుడు ఎర్ర రోజా పువ్వు సేతికిచ్చి చూడు అందరి ముందు ఐ లవ్ యూ చెప్పి చూడు. అరే పడితే లైన్ లో పడతది లేకపోతే తిడతది పోత ఇచ్చత పోతది అది పోత ఇంకోతొస్తది. ఏ నల్ల గండ అద్దాలు తొడిగిన పోరి అరే పడితే లైన్ లో పడతది లేకపోతే తిడతది పోత ఇచ్చత పోతది అది పోత ఇంకోతొస్తది. నన్నెక్కించావే పిల్ల రెక్కల కుర్రాని
కట్టుకుంది ఏడు ఆకలి సింగాని చోకొట్టుకుంటా ఒళ్ళో చికటి కాలాన్ని
నల్కి సూనాడు గింగిర గింగిర గింగిరమే రంగుల పొంగుల బొంగరమే సన్నగా నున్నగా బల్లెగా చెక్కావే
ఇంకేది ఏడం కసున బుసున పొంగడమే అమ్ముడి చేతికి లొంగడమే హక్కుగా మొక్కుగా బల్లెగా దక్కావే
కిలికిలియే కిలికిలియే కిలికిలియో కిలికిలియే కిలికిలియే కిలియో
కిలికిలిగే కిలికిలిగే కిలికిలేయో కిలికిలిగే కిలేయో
దావుని వాదిరే వాదిరే దావుని వాదిరే వాదిరే వాది దావుని వాదిరే వాదిరే.
और ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
जंगल में आज मंगल करूंगी भूखे शेरों से खेलूंगी मैं मक्खन जैसी हथेली पे चलते अंगारे ले लूंगी मैं हाय गहरे पानी की मछली हूँ राजा घाट घाट दरिया में घूमी हूँ मैं तेरी नजरों की लहरों से हार के आज डूबी हूँ मैं हाय जानने वो जलवा है देखने में हलवा है जान ले वो जलवा है देखने में हलवा है प्यार से भरोसा दूंगी टूट ले जरा ये तो ट्रेलर है पूरी फिल्म दिखाने आई हुस्न की तीली से पीड़ी खिलम जलाने आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई పిల్లగాలి అల్లరి ఒళ్ళంతా గిల్లి నల్ల మబ్బు ఉరినేనా పిల్లగాలి అల్లరి ఒళ్ళంతా గిల్లి నల్ల మబ్బు ఉరినేనా కళ్ళెర్ర చేసి మెరుపై తరినేనా ఎల్లలన్నీ కరిగి చల్లుమంటూ ఉరికే మా కళ్ళలో వాకిళ్ళలో విరల వర్ణాల వయ్యారి జాణ అందమైన సిరివాన ముచ్చటగా మెరిసే సమయాన అందరాని చంద్రుడైనా మా ఇంట్లో మందు వల్లే తిరిగేనా चमका चमका मेरिया में चम चम करके चमका लावा झंडू बाम जी नच दे भजन थमका
ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट जाए तू पहाड़ी बाटोमा छम छमा पायल घुंघरू बजन त्यार ठुठमा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छन हरा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छन हरा चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा अरे चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा
விட்டாளே எழக வச்சாளே அழகா முத்தத்தில் மனசு கொடுத்தவா சிக்குற முதட்டு சுழிக்க எப்பமோ எப்பமோ வேற சாட்டக்குன்னு திமிர அடக்கவா சிரிக்கு சிரிப்பில் உருக எப்பமோ எப்பமோ சுத்தர சுத்தர சொல்லுங்க யதி யதி நாயக சுந்தரி
ताले लगे भरले रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली पार वाले पर
రాజా చతుర్హస్త కుశేషశైః సద్ధర్మ కామా నతముక్తి మార్గం సంశూచయంతి విరాజమాణాం రాజేశ్వరీం నౌమి కళాలయాంతం. నమస్తే. వేదికను అలంకరించిన డైరెక్టర్ గారికి, గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రిన్సిపల్, వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, నా తోటి అధ్యాపక బృందానికి నా వందనాలు. 10వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులకు నా ఆశీస్సులు. 9వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులకి నా అభినందనలు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ప్రతి పాఠశాల నుండి బయటకు వెళ్తున్నటువంటి పిల్లల్ని చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఒక రకమైనటువంటి బాధ ప్రతి టీచర్కి వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం ఒక ప్రత్యేకత ఉంది. చిన్న పిల్లల నుండి చూస్తూ వస్తున్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఇంత చిన్న పిల్లలు అక్షరాలు రూపుదిద్దుకుంటున్నటువంటి స్థాయి నుండి 10వ తరగతి అయిపోయి బయటకు వెళ్తున్నారంటే నిజంగానే మనసులో నా సొంత కూతురు లేదా నా సొంత కుమారుడు బయటకు వెళ్తున్నాడు, వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు వాడు రేపటి బ్రతికి ఎలా ఉంటుందో అనేటువంటి బాధ మాత్రం మనసులో ఒక రకమైనటువంటి బాధ మాత్రం తప్పనిసరిగా ఉంది. ఎవరైనా ఎదుగుతున్నటువంటి క్రమంలో వెళ్ళాల్సిందే, కానీ చూస్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మంచి భవిష్యత్తును చూస్ చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఉన్నతంగా ఎదగడానికి హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఒక్కటి మాత్రమే మిమ్మల్ని ఉన్నతంగా చేరుస్తుంది. దానికి అనుగుణంగా మీరు మీ జర్నీని కొనసాగిస్తూనే ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్కి వచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫర్ 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మీ టీచర్స్ ఇచ్చేటువంటి నోట్స్ కావచ్చు, లేదా ఎక్కడెక్కడ లోపాలు ఉన్నాయో ప్రతి డిపిటీలో జరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ డిపిటీలో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి లోపాలని సరిచూసుకుంటూ ఇచ్చినటువంటి నోట్స్ ను ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసినట్లయితే ఉన్నతంగా ఎదగడానికి ఒక అవకాశం కూడా ఉంటుంది. 590+ లో నుండి ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ లో 590 మార్కుల పైన కనబడితే రాష్ట్ర స్థాయిలో ఒక ర్యాంక్ తో పాటు మీ పేరు సువర్ణాక్షరాలతో మా పాఠశాలలో కావచ్చు, లేదా రాష్ట్రం మొత్తం పైన కూడా నియోగితాంజలి అనేటువంటి పేరు అద్భుతమైనగా కనబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి దానికి తగినట్టుగా మన దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి పిల్లల్లో మినిమం ఒక 7 మెంబర్స్ 7 పిల్లలు ఆ 519 క్రాస్ చేయడానికి అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులో ఎక్కడికి చిన్న చిన్న లోపాలు ఉంటే సర్దిద్దుకోండి. ఉన్నతంగా ఎదిగితే మాకు అందరికంటే ప్రైడ్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యేది మాత్రం మేము మీకంటే ముందు మీకు చదువు చెప్పినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. నమస్కారం.
And my dear teachers, and abundant blessings to all children. As we are gathered here for better tomorrow, I have prepared few points this year. Let me read it for you. Recently I got reading classes. Right? Today is a very special day, special for you dear students, because you are finally escaping. I mean graduating from this phase of life. And special for us because we can finally breathe easy. Knowing we won't have to hear ma'am or sir, one more mark please in every exam. First and foremost, let me say congratulations. You have officially survived years of school life. A place where you have faced tough exams, unexpected surprise test, endless homework, and the greatest challenge of all, waking up early in the morning. I must say, you have been an extraordinary batch. Some of you have amazed us with your intelligence, leadership, and discipline. Others, well, you amazed us with your ability to sleep with your eyes open, submit blank answer sheets with a great confidence, and find new ways to forget your homework every single day. Over the years, we have watched you grow, not just in height, for some not even that, but in maturity, friendships and skills. You have mastered the art of completing entire assignments in one night, memorizing movie dialogues better than history dates, and coming up with the most creative excuses ever. Let us not forget the legendary group projects, where one hard-working student did everything and the rest of the group took credit. And of course, the classic "Ma'am or sir, I forgot my notebook at home" excuse, which some of you have been using so many years that I am starting to believe that the notebook ever actually existed. But jokes aside, today is a milestone. You are stepping into a new phase of life, one that will bring new opportunities, new challenges, and yes, new teachers who will also wonder how you manage to forget everything the moment the exam begins. As you move forward, remember a few things. Hard work always pays off. Just like you crammed an entire year's syllabus in one night, imagine that you could achieve if you actually started preparing a little earlier. Failures are just lessons in disguise. If you have ever failed a test, just remember, it wasn't a failure. It was a plot twist in your success story. Respect and kindness will take you further than any grade. Always be kind to your family, your friends, and yes, even your future teachers who will also suffer through your excuses. Stay in touch with your school friends. These are the people who have seen you at your worst. Messy hair, sleepy eyes, and failed experiments in chemistry class. No one else will tolerate you like they do. We, as your teachers, are proud of you. Yes, even those of you who never submitted homework on time. Because we see the potential in each one of you and we know you will go on to achieve great things. So go forward with your confidence, make mistakes, learn from them, and always keep your sense of humor alive. Except there won't always be a teacher to give you extra marks for a neat presentation. And finally, before you leave, please return the library books. Best of luck to all of you. We will miss you. Thank you.
Grade 10 and grade 9 students. The best quality about this grade 10 students, which the grade 9 students have to adapt. What do you think is it? What do you think is it? The grade 9 students have to adapt the quality which the present grade 10 students are having. They are most disciplined. Most disciplined. They never disturb the class. And definitely I want to say I had great time teaching you all. And thank you sir, ma'am, for giving this opportunity for taking up the first special batch of Neo Geetanjali. And it's just 48 days to go. So 48 days, very close to your exams. So very close to cross your first milestone of your education. And definitely this 48 days, in these 48 days, whoever are really sincerely doing your, following the revision classes or planning your works after going home, definitely you will get miraculous results. And one more thing I want to say is your result is not just yours. So your result is definitely pride to your parents, teachers, and definitely to the school. So hope you will all make us proud. So wishing you all the best. Thank you.
On your marks, get set and go.
First student, great.
Hey,
Madam,
సిలు 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 సిలువైన కొంచెం చెల్లమ్మా సడ 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 మణేన వందేన్ కన్నమ్మా తీరునా
This is the tribute to Talaiwa. All the Rajini fans. Talaiwa. Don't miss that chance. Talaiwa. All the Rajini fans. Talaiwa. Don't miss that chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
Very warm welcome to one and all. Say here, have you checked this? How many of you know the meaning of it?
Abrio, meaning what?
Abrio.
Repati kosam.
Yes. It's a Greek word just telling us, reminding us there is a tomorrow when you wake up in the morning. So, indirectly we are telling you that this is not the end, this is a new beginning to you. So, I wish all the best for you, my kids, a very good life to you. Thank you so much. Thank you ma'am for your beautiful words.
आदरणीय हमारे निर्देशक सर, प्रधानाध्यापिका, उप प्रधानाध्यापिका और अध्यापकगण और अध्यापिकागण और हमारे 9th और 10th क्लास के छात्राओं, तो 2 शब्द बोलना चाहूंगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को ये बात बताना चाहूंगा क्योंकि हमारा जीवन जो है बहुत अमूल्य है और सबसे पहले आप बहुत सारे सिनेमास देखते हो, बहुत सारे हीरो हीरोइंस ऐसे सारे लोगों के बहुत सारे अनुयायी बनते हो, उनके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर बन जाते हो, लेकिन हमारे जीवन में ऐसे भी कोई ऐसे अनमोल रत्न यहाँ से जा चुके हैं, आज भी अपने प्रतिबिंब छोड़कर जा चुके हैं। अब उनसे हम अपना रास्ता जिस तरीके से हम बना सकते हैं, जैसे मैं एक छोटा सा मैं हमारे एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के बारे में, उनके जीवन के उनके एक प्रसंग के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा, ज्यादा समय नहीं लेना चाहूंगा। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का जीवन कितना कठिन था। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि बचपन से वो अखबार भी बांटते थे और बहुत गरीब परिवार में उनका जन्म हुआ था और वैसे भी जिस तरीके से उनकी पढ़ाई भी बड़ी मुश्किल से होती थी और एक वक्त ऐसा था कि वो अपने गणित अध्यापक के जिसे ट्यूशन में जाना चाहते थे, तो गणित अध्यापक ने उन्हें कहा कि रोज सुबह जल्दी 4 बजे इस तरीके से स्नान करके आना। तो उन्होंने सभी बच्चों से बताया था, लेकिन कोई भी बच्चे नहीं आते हैं और वैसे जब सुबह हो जाती है उस ठंडी में 9th और 10th क्लास के बच्चे कृपया एक बार सुने सभी लोग। तो जिस प्रकार से वहाँ जिस तरीके से सुबह जल्दी उठकर जाते थे और जाकर जिस तरीके से दरवाजा खटखटाते तो गणित अध्यापक जिस तरीके से उनका द्वार खोल के देखते तो कोई भी नहीं रहता, सिर्फ एक ही अब्दुल कलाम होते थे। और जिस तरीके से वो जाके जिस तरीके से उनके साथ पढ़ते थे, बाद में ऐसे करते करते उन्होंने एक दिन क्या हुआ था, उनके जिस तरह के गणित में 100 के 100 मार्क आ गए। तो उसके बाद वे इतना आसान सफर नहीं था, फिर अंत में वो कहते हैं गणित अध्यापक एक दिन कि बेटा अब्दुल कलाम, आपने तो 100 के 100 मार्क्स तो आप प्राप्त कर चुके हैं, लेकिन वो फिर भी कहते हैं कि और आगे आपको बहुत कुछ करना है। इसलिए वो कहते हैं कि सूरज की तरह चमकना है तो सूरज की तरह चमकना है तो सूरज की तरह जलना भी सीखो। और मैं आपको कहना चाहूंगा जिस तरीके से APJ अब्दुल कलाम जिस तरीके से आपको जानते हैं बेटा, इतने बड़े मिसाइल मैन के नाम से बहुत प्रसिद्ध है, हम नहीं पूरा विश्व जानता है उन्हें। और हम सौभाग्यशाली है जैसे कि हम भी भारतीय हैं। और वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि सपने देखना बुरी बात नहीं है, सपने देखा करो लेकिन उसे साकार करने की भी कोशिश करना चाहिए। और इतना बोलकर मैं अपने दोस्त को समाप्त करता हूँ।
ప్రతి షాట్ లోపలే ఓడిఎం హీట్ ఈడిఎం లో బీట్ రేడియం లో లైట్ బాడీలో ఇటు అటు
Now I'm saying my experience in our school. In these 2 years, I have lot of memories with my teachers and friends. My teachers are like my parents. They take care of me and they guide me a lot. Especially Sujita ma'am. Thank you ma'am very much.
Good evening everyone, respected director sir, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, esteemed teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm very happy to celebrate this farewell, and in these few years I had lot of experiences, memories, happiness I shared with all my friends, joy, sadness and a bit of mischievous. And this 2 years was great and I have shared many memories with my friends, cheered all them in my sports and we shared laughter in the classes and even had study sessions. So, my teachers not only trained me as academically, but also made me as a good person in the society, teaching me many life lessons and making me this where I am today. And the teachers who the grazing stars, all the stars they need to be deserved.
Yes, sir, see all the stars.
They need to be deserved, all the stars here. Their motivation, their support and the dedication, and when I feel doubtful about myself, they support me everywhere, every time where I am. And respected principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am, thank you for your support and motivation. You are the reason and all the teachers are the reason for here I am standing today. And I like to thank everyone who supported me in this journey. And this is a great experience. I have cherished a lot of moments in this 2 years and few years. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Present here director sir, principal ma'am, in-charge principal ma'am. Support me a lot. Support me a lot. In my 10th class career. I came here for only 10th class, but I also enjoyed a lot time studying. My teachers are guiding me very well. My teachers are guiding me very well and supporting me in academics and everything, in sports also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what in future? What do you want to be in future?
Software engineer.
CEO. Sundar picture. There to see you as hero. Will you do it? Not try, Guru. Paka. Hero. Taggedale.
Good evening everyone, I'm Kasya from grade 10 and it's been a wonderful day and emotional day and it's time to say goodbye. A big thank don't want to know.
Amma, you are not coming tomorrow?
A big thanks to our teachers, especially our Sujita ma'am for each and every corner and believing in us. To our juniors, work hard, study well, make beautiful memories in school. Thank you.
What do you want to be in future?
Doctor.
So Dr. Lasya. So once you come back as an alumni, you are going to be Dr. Lasya. So free treatment for me. Yeah. From which class? In
Grade class 1.
Grade 1 now. GOTN, Pragati Nagar. Third class, she remembers. Adilappa ma'am. So from third class, she is with us.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ananya from grade 10. So I want to say wonderful day. Thank you for this opportunity and thank you for all teachers for supporting and encouraging all in studies and sports. Thank you.
So what you want to do? Doctor? So Dr. Lalita?
Yes, ma'am.
Lalita Hospital. Obviously, Lalita Hospital. In Guntur it is very famous. In Hyderabad also we will start. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Guru from grade 10. I miss all the days where we gossip in the class when there is no teacher, and we miss all the teachers out here who guide us, who support us in everything, in our studying, in our co-curricular activities and everything. We miss all the friends and all the juniors where we gossip in the corridors and even in the classrooms. And we miss all the gossip and even the friends and even the principal ma'am. And with principal ma'am since my UKG, I miss her a lot and even the director sir. Thank you.
Miss you. But you are always welcome to school. What is your ambition? Doctor? Oh my God, so many doctors.
I am Manaswini. December 31st. It's a wonderful day. With Jan 31st.
New Year holiday.
Jan 31st. It's a wonderful day. It's always waiting. The days are running so fast and I'm new to school. I have joined in 10th class. And I thought that I may not found many friends, but here everyone are so friendly and the teachers, with teachers' support and with my parents' support, I am here. And it's a very wonderful and emotional day for me. Thank you, especially thank you Sujita ma'am for your support. With you only I am here, and thank you.
So more scoldings for you, every day.
Yes.
I know. So what do you want to be in future?
I want to run business.
Oh, you want to be an entrepreneur? Great. All the best.
I enjoyed very much in this school. I have joyful memories in this school. They are very excellent teachers. They gave me a good guidance. The school is very nice and very neat. Thank you.
What do you want to be in future?
IAS.
IAS? So game changer, what's it now?
Good evening also different.
Namaskaram everyone.
Sabaki chappo namaskaram.
Sabaki namaskaram. Namaskaram to namaskaram. So to all my Guru Garu, thank you and
Guruvani.
all I want to say is I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky to have teachers like you and principal ma'am, director sir. You managed this school very well. And my juniors,
keep doing this all events. You are doing well. And yeah. Hope your farewell also will be this joyful. And for Janma Janma, I'll join the school.
Yes, come on.
Every universe, I'll join the school only.
When we were going for excursion, I had discussion with your father to send you. So what your father said, you know? Do you know that? Ma'am, I won't send my son, but I will become of him. You take 2 more children because he is such a naughty boy. He keeps finger in the sockets.
I stopped that now.
And you stop. But I remember it. Grade 5 itself you stopped due to pandemic. Due to pandemic. Pandemic very like the corona.
In pandemic, little bit, ma'am.
Little bit.
After again, Geetanjali started, no, ma'am.
Neo Geetanjali, you became good boy. Geetanjali, you are the naughtiest. You tried to jump from the floor at home. I know all this, I remember. Whenever I talk to your father, the same thing. So what do you want to be in future? Something different?
I want to become a family man. A good partner.
And children.
Studying in Neo Geetanjali.
Joining Neo Geetanjali family, huh? How will you run your family? You want to work with us? Yes, sir. You want to be in partnership with sir? I want to listen to that, please.
Yes, sir. I'll introduce new technology for the school, sir. Already the school is so good, sir. I want to make it more good, sir. Yes, sir. Best.
We want elephants like you. You are always welcome.
Good evening. I enjoyed this 3 years journey. 3 years, ma'am. I enjoyed with teachers and both classmates.
That's all for today. Have a nice day.
Happy day. Happy day.
Happy farewell. Years, sir. Happy farewell.
And last week, happy engineer.
Aeronautical engineer. So, what are
Good man.
both all the best. Will you accept it? I'm not accepting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
You can change, ma'am.
what is it?
We actually put it not worthy, ma'am.
Huh?
The actual pronoun was not worthy.
Noteworthy. Do you know the meaning?
Don't know, ma'am. That's right, sir.
So, in nutshell, say something.
Good evening to one and all. So I am here to give a speech on farewell.
Really?
So first 2 years I didn't enjoy it a lot, but this year was something special to me because I have done a mysterious things so much.
So last 2 years you are a good boy. Now you became little bad.
Not bad, mischievous.
Little bad I said, not bad.
Okay.
Little good.
No.
No, very bad.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So after coming to the school, I have observed a childish change in my behavior. So that's very childish change. Yes. So this year I was playing mostly in washrooms. Not taps, ma'am, but the broken ones. The broken ones. This year I played so much in washroom and in life skills room. Not
teachers will catch her, CCTV cameras will capture, no? That's why we selected washroom.
So now on I will stop it all.
Why? You are leaving now, going on hangama.
I have changed.
You changed, huh? Now you changed the place or habit?
Habit.
Now carry to you because.
So I played a lot of volleyball.
In washroom?
Yeah. I played a lot of volleyball without giving PT class also. So,
in a class?
No, ma'am, we steal the ball.
So many balls are captured or seized by me. Still you play?
No, ma'am, we steal the
How
ball.
can you keep volleyball in the bag, man? You are stolen from school itself?
No, ma'am, we
Yes, sir.
No, ma'am, we kept in the locker and we played a lot.
Oh, lockers are meant for to kids. Okay.
Like that, we played a lot. We enjoyed so much. Sixta ma'am has given so much freedom to us. All credit to Sixta ma'am. Thank you. So my inspiring person from the school is Joseph sir. His mentality is so much that that anyone cannot imagine it. So I like that mentality, sir. So keep rising that mentality so much. Thank you.
What do you want to do in future?
I want to achieve the highest doctorate in engineering.
In engineering, giving service to nation. Are you foodie, Vidya? Really? Yes. Or do you like chicken, mutton? Everything.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Nitya Harsha and I'm here to tell about my exciting journey in this school. I have joined this school in the grade 9 and starting off my first day, I cried. And why did you cry? The old memories.
Old memories of previous. You're from St. Anne's? No,
Lotus Lab Public School. So, and I guess from shedding tears, I guess I met my most remarkable person in my life who has left a mark on my life. Who is that? Sahasra.
No, Sahasra.
When I was talking to my old friends about the facilities provided here, after a few days, they stopped talking to me.
They are jealous of you.
Yes. In this school, I have learned that I have many abilities which I didn't show in my previous school, and I guess I was a silent girl in my previous school. And
you are a silent. Be clear.
And here I became a saddest.
I am psycho. Just to be sadistic.
Yes,
not Sujita.
Psycho. Yeah, children are sadist, you are psycho. Hey, psychologist, Amma.
I got to know my own character here and come on. I got to know my own character here and knowing what I can do in this school. I have done a lot of mischievous things.
It's in the school.
Yes, no.
Oh, I didn't think so.
I was a silent mama. I to be silent.
So, teasing others, enjoy. Making fun of others.
I'm very happy to be part of this wonderful journey in this school, and I hope my juniors also have wonderful memories like me. Thank you.
What do you want to be?
In the future, I would like to be called Dr. Nitya.
Dr. Nitya. Nitya Harsha. So which specialization you want to take?
Trauma surgeon. Trauma surgeon.
Trauma surgeon. Great.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am here to share my journey in Neo Vidyalaya School. First day of the school, I was very tense because of about the teachers, how they will be. But few days after, I understood it's like a family, and I was free with all the teachers, and I enjoyed a lot, and all the co-curricular activities. All teachers taught me after 10th how the society will be and how we should be. Thank you for all my teachers, each and everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sure. What do you want to be? Engineer. So, software. So, what to call you? Yogesh.
Top carnival.
Top carnival. Okay. ఏంటిరా టాప్ కార్నివల్ అంటే డికంపోజరా You be primary producer, man.
No, ma'am, you are there, no.
You be director. You can be producer.
We will consume your knowledge. We will consume your knowledge.
In the form of something.
In the form of food, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and Vice Principal Ma'am. So I am very happy to have this day, and I enjoyed very much in school, even though it has been only 2 years. And the best personality I have found in this school is Joseph Sir and Rajshekar Sir. From Joseph Sir, I learned many things, how to question things. The main thing I learned is how to understand things from Joseph Sir. And from Rajshekar Sir, I learned that how to be peaceful in when you get angry also. Angry also. And from Sujita Ma'am, I learned everything. And I will not forget Principal Ma'am, because Ma'am's magnetic field will daily attract me to come to school.
Not to south. Designs వస్తాయి.
And the love of school is like a universe, and I am that star. The more I
You are Dhruv Nakshatra.
Something.
And the brightest, most seen.
Yes, so the more I go in, the more I learn, and it never ends. The love of school, and also I like the our school ground, and also life skills room and washrooms, and also I like. And I also really like the fans. I have many memories with my class fan.
Switch off the fan.
No,
That's why.
when I see that fan, no, ma'am, because of motor only it will rotate, and when I see that motor, I will remember you, ma'am. Because of you only, I will. Switch is ma'am, because we do admissions. And the electricity is director, sir. And without teachers, school is nothing.
Sir, go on.
Sujita ma'am.
Switch off the fan. Regulator for you.
And I really like the moments in Kridayan and also Geetayan. And also we like the memories in our school ground where we played football and pushed one another. And also I like the moments where we had life skills and my best friend was Silas. He is Silas and was Jeshwant and Rohit ma'am. And current best friend is Silas ma'am because he helps me in everything.
Silas is my favorite student. That is secondary. One of my favorites. Nice birthday.
I had the best memories with my benchmates. I had very good moments in the school.
So what do you want to be?
I want to become astronaut.
Astronaut?
Astronaut.
Now discuss about. No.
Because you are the reason I went to ma'am, so I can't do it.
So after a magnetic field under the diamond.
A very good evening and good night to everyone. I am Sahasra from grade 10. I have joined the school in grade 9. I am very glad to be a part of this school. And coming to my class teacher, she's a wonderful woman, she's a wonderful teacher, she's a wonderful mother. We can, the whole class can say she's the second mother of her 10th class. And coming to her energetic principal ma'am, the way she supports us and guides us, I love a lot. Thank you.
Check.
Good evening and hello. First best friend is Prashant.
Second best friend.
Ambition na చెప్పు బ్రో. ప్లీజ్ ఒక్కటి ఏం లేదా చెప్పడానికి
Police. Good police, no you are. Sincere.
Everyone, my name is Afrika.
Sincere.
In this school, I joined at 9th class. I have so many memories with my friends and with my teachers. And my teachers are so supportive to everyone. And Principal Ma'am will motivate us. Thank you for your motivation and your supportive. Thank you, ma'am.
So What want to say? What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be singer.
Singer? Can you sing one line? One line.
Sender.
మౌనంగా ఎదుగుని తప్ప అది తప్ప
లోకంలోనే దీపంలోని వెలుతురునదే ప్రాణాలిలా వెలిగించావే నిన్ను నిన్నగా ప్రేమించిన నన్ను నన్నుగా అందించవా
Good evening to respected director sir, principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am. Today, as you know, I am sensational Shivatmika. Today I am here to give a sensational speech. Thank you teachers for your unwavering guidance, and you have shaped us as we are today. And thank you my dear friends, we have shared many memories here. Thank you Brinda and Prauste especially.
You are the right partners.
Yes, partner in crimes.
No, you are the right partners.
Thank you.
Short and sweet. So what do you want to be? Doctor?
Doctor.
Paka. Which doctor? Which doctor?
Hematologist.
Hematologist. Good.
Good evening everyone. Here I am going to say about my journey in this school. Coming to school at early 7:30 and going at 6:30.
Very hectic. Man పొద్దునే లేవను కదా తెలుసు మీ మదర్తో చాలా సార్లు మా 7:30 కూడా లేవట్లేదు మా
తర్వాత ఏంటి కంప్యూటర్ లాగా థ్యాంక్ యూ టీచర్ థ్యాంక్ యూ టీచర్ సార్
ఇద్దరు ఎస్టీఎంఎల్స్ ఏంటమ్మా మీరు ఎస్టీఎంఎల్ షార్ట్ టర్మ్ మెమరీ లాస్ ఎస్టీఎంఎల్ చాలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశాను అంటే ఏమవుతుందో కూడా వాళ్ళు కూడా మర్చిపోయావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో మర్చిపోతే ఎట్లా కోడింగ్ చేస్తావు hybrid system. ChatGPT, Gemini. Yes, sir.
Happy farewell to everyone.
Happy and
Every day I will be getting at 5 or 5:30 with my mom's scoldings. After yes, ma'am. Without scoldings, I can't leave.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's called.
After coming to school, every day we'll be seeing Sujita ma'am's face like Lucky Charm.
నేను కరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా బయాలజీ పేపర్లో
Yeah, they have. Finally, my family and I went to hospital. One day, sister ma'am told about blood pressure, and
you explain to doctor.
my father was taking BP, ma'am. My father was taking his BP, and he got above 140/80, ma'am. I was telling to my father, you have more blood pressure. You have got high BP, and
Systolic, diastolic.
and the doctor is saying, Adi the doctor said it.
Oh! Medicine కూడా exam అన్నాడా? Manometer. That is what doctor. That is what doctor's handwriting, amma. Yes, not Lucida. Come on.
I need these kind of friends for every
Sad farewell. Thank you.
See, the girl whom I scolded most is Sudhamsha.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm standing with a lot of mixed emotions with me. Like, don't know what to express. But my journey started in 8th class with a group of 13. That was the best class in my life. A lot of friends happened in that years. And I can't miss the 8th classroom and the 2nd floor washroom in this club.
Girls kuda అందుకే నేను మిర్రర్స్ తీసేస్తున్నా వాష్రూమ్ 25 lipsticks 30 comments we have in our pouch preserve.
If the school is of 7 hours, ma'am, we'll sit 6 hours in washroom.
Lessons in washroom lo cheptali. Washroom lo ante
That's the most peaceful
the peaceful place in the world. I could accept it. Most of the intellectuals get ideas in washroom, but not in school, at home. I know, that's what I'm saying.
Where we can sing songs. Thank you to all my friends for making this journey so beautiful. I'm so lucky to have all of you. Okay, on your request, can you on your request, thank you to all of you.
What? On your request?
They are saying to thank them.
Okay.
So, you tell, what do you want to do?
Chief Executive Officer of the world's largest biggest company. World's largest biggest company. Yes,
With and
don't know, I should say it.
అంటే జరగదా
అప్పటికి వస్తాడు
Like where I don't get more work, ma'am, I should work less and earn more, ma'am.
Smart.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So from where you have learned this smartness? From Govinda. Not at all. So you are CEO. You want to be CEO.
Yes, ma'am.
Of your own company.
Anyone's company, ma'am. But
But you want money. At last you want money.
Yes, ma'am.
None.
Lot of money, ma'am.
Lot of money.
हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं, हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। टपकती दोपहर सी लड़की की लहर सी मेरी जैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को, फूलों वाली डाली भी हो चुम्मा भी हो गाली भी हो, बोलो कैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को। पलंग टूटता पहली रात सारा मोहल्ला करता बात, हुई चौरे में बरसात, कौन वहाँ था किसके साथ। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं, हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। சண்ட கோழி கோழி இவ சண்ட கோழி கொஞ்சம் தடவு தடவு இவ சொந்த கோழியா, சண்ட கோழி கோழி இவ சண்ட கோழி கொஞ்சம் தடவு தடவு இவ சொந்த கோழியா। கைய வச்சா நெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே கைய முய்யா, நீ ரெண்டு சண்டை வந்துச்சா தள்ளி படுமையா கொஞ்ச நேரம் என்ன கொல்லையா ஐயா கொஞ்ச நேரம் என்ன கொல்லையா ஐயா ஐயா
నీ పైట మెట్టుపై వాలిందే పూల బుట్టలో మెరుపు నీ కట్టు బొట్టులో దూరిందే తేనె పట్టులా నీ పిలుపే నన్ను కట్టి పడేసిందే పిల్ల నా గుండెలోన ఇల్లే కట్టేసినావే కళ్ళాపు గల్లి రంగు ముగ్గే పెట్టేసినావే
जब से मिला तेरा साया भाया मुझे हर बार तू भाया लाया सपने हजार तू लाया ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे आया जब से है यार तू आया छाया बन के है प्यार तू छाया लाया सपने हजार तू लाया ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे
टच करके दिल मेरा क्यों स्क्रैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे
தமிழ் தெரியாதா हिंदीல 1 सेकंड
पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ
इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor shake the booty shake the top and go hard show it out hit you with the party hit you give me give me give me give me give me give me some more 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor shake the booty shake the top and go hard show it out hit you with the party hit you give me give me give me give me give me give me some more on the dance floor 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor shake the booty shake the top and go hard
I should not be emotional, right? Yes, I want some expressions. I can't see your expressions. If the class is not lively, I won't teach. I say always this. So I want interactive session, right? So like any other one, I have little sentiment to wish. You know that word. What is it? ATB. I love it. But once you come up with the success, I want to wish you congrats for your big success. Okay, so all your dreams must come true. So for that, what should you do? Everybody keeps saying all your dreams your parents, your teachers, society, everybody will be proud of you. Yes, that's one thing. See, listen carefully. It is your attitude which decides what you are, not your aptitude. You know the difference between attitude and aptitude. Do you know? Your attitude is what you are. Your aptitude is what you are. There is a difference between knowledge and wisdom. Yes? Do you know the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Both you must have. Okay. So, your attitude is the one which takes you to the altitude. What is altitude? The very high. Always I keep saying, sky is the limit. Target for the sky. You will compare achieve. So as teachers told, I wish, I dream, you will be the state managers in Telangana. I want to dream big. Yes, I have that dream. So who has to make that dream come true? You. So you must say, I. Who has to make this? I. If it is me, you think that Brunda will get it, Prasti will get it, yes, Puna will get it. But if you say I, you must do it. Who has to make our dream, is my dream, true? I, me, myself. Okay? Do your best, be successful. Okay, anyhow in the class I come and give big speeches, that you can't escape from it. Okay? So you all can go for dinner. If you want to wish that, please. Hope everybody has said a lot. So, and the generation is so that I feel that you people are very generous, you people are very balanced, and also you people know how to dream. The only thing is somebody is needed for you to tell you that how to fulfill the dream, isn't it? And yes, you people, as you said, that you people are very lucky to have a set of teachers and guide who are sitting in front of you. So that space or the gap which is needed for you to fill is the effort. Yes, it is your effort which will make your dream to come true. Okay? And yes, school is that beautiful place, or I can say that a noble place from where you learn every values of your life, isn't it? So, more than to be very successful or what you have dreamt to be, more than that, be a